Hello, it's Sapphire. We're making whatever this. I don't even think it's reading properly. I'm gonna read it. Pumpkin, chocolate, chunk, oatmeal, cookies. Yeah, cookie. I was cookie mix, but this is the cookie mix. So I think I understand what to do. I think we got this from Trader Joe's, but I'm not sure. Yeah, Trader Joe's is at the top. Good spot. So we're gonna put dry ingredients first, and I won't cause an absolute disaster. All of it in. So my brother is just circling around, getting a good camera angle, so I can switch from camera angles. So thank you to Crimson, or my brother, for helping. Hi. My mom's also helping me, because I have no cooking skills. One day I will, but not today. Okay. What do I need to put in next? Oh, it's not knuckles. Just everything? This is a very wet egg.
Okay.
That's good enough.
Okay. Preheat oven to cooking. Okay, I guess you just mix everything.
There. Egg.
She has a degree in opening eggs. What's your opinion on eggs? You like eggs?
No.
And she's good at cracking them. She's good at cracking them, but she doesn't like them.
Yeah, no, I don't like scrambled eggs. Eggs are fine, but
okay, this part looks disgusting, so I'm not gonna.
Camera's giving us commentary. Jeez. Okay. So we added 2 tablespoons of water, an egg, and the cookie mix so far. We added the butter as well. How much butter did we add? That's a lot. That's a lot of butter. That's a lot of butter. Now you could use a mixer to mix all this together, but also they didn't have one, so I'm going to do it the traditional style, as I always do. Of course, I have to do it the traditional style to keep this entertaining as possible. This is a lot of butter.
Look at that
softened butter. Make sure you microwave the butter first to make it easier.
Look at that dork up there.
Crimson's giving his commentary. You can just hear Crimson in the background on camera.
That looks less like butter and more like cheese. This looks like granola oatmeal.
Oh, it's actually chocolate chunk oatmeal. Look at it.
It looks like cereal.
It
really, really unhealthy cereal.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I think most of the time cereal does not have as much chocolate. Yeah, sure. Let's do that.
I'll just cut to the point where I have the mixer set up. So we'll see you in a second.
Yeah. Hey guys, say we're making both. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
This is the closest to heaven that he's from.
24. Make sure you make them bigger than.
Alright, you know what? Some of you guys are going to the gym and you're getting some more muscle.
This looks like these cookies are
or
from
you
heaven.
just broke up with someone and now you're getting some more fat.
Basically toast compliment. And it's okay, they still got the round shape and you could just go with a knife. When they dry.